Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Fever FM.
Breakfast show for Fever UP, and right now I'm sharing this beautiful screen with the beautiful Neha Sharma. So पहले तो तालियों से स्वागत किया जाए इनका. Neha,
Sona, thanks for having me.
how are you? You're looking so beautiful, firstly. And
Thank you. You made my evening. I'm very well. Just gearing up because मेरी release around the corner है 29th को आ रही है After Ishq. So
Yes.
we are all super excited and super pumped, and we're just trying to spread the word that our film's releasing on ZEE5, and I want as many people as to tune in and watch the film because it's a very special film.
Definitely नेहा, क्योंकि देखो जब ट्रेलर देखा गया था ना आफते इश्क का, so it was so nice. मतलब I was like एक मिनट, dating tips पहले तो मेरे को जाननी है जो मैं जानूंगी नेहा से, no doubt. So I was very much excited for this interview. Thank you for being there. Thank you for your time. First. And then moving forward, आफते इश्क क्योंकि 29th अक्टूबर को ZEE5 पे रिलीज हो रही है, so I really want to know कि पहली बात तो आफते इश्क का पूरा होल एंड सोल किस बारे में है जो आप हमारे सारे व्यूअर्स को और लिसनर्स को बताना चाहेंगे.
तो मैं ज्यादा कुछ नहीं बोल सकती बिकॉज आई वांट टू कीप द एनिग्मा ऑफ द फिल्म इंटैक्ट, क्योंकि ट्रेलर में ऑब्वियसली आपने बहुत कुछ देखा होगा. सो ये कहानी लल्लो की है जो एक छोटे से शहर से है. वो ईला जी के कैरेक्टर बहू जी के साथ एक घर में रहती है और वो शी टेक्स केयर ऑफ ईला जीज all the needs. I mean, she's the caretaker for her. She's also the housekeeper.
Yeah.
She's everything for her. Lallo becomes 30 and उसकी एक friend है सुहानी जो सैलो में काम करती है. The only other girlfriend that she kind of looks up to, जिसके boyfriends हैं. और सुहानी उसे कहती है कि you know Lallo, you've hit 30 now and I think before you miss the boat you need to find a guy. And I think Lallo को ऐसा लगता है कि this is the time she should find a guy, and सुहानी उसे एक dating app Mamster हमने फिल्म में use किया है. उसके बारे में बताती है where Lallo kind of goes through swiping right and swiping right, left, whatever. Swiping right and meeting these boys, these suitors, and then उसके बाद क्या होता है वो कहानी है. I mean, कुछ अजीब supernatural चीजें होती हैं लल्लो के साथ, क्यों होती हैं, क्या होता है, and all that is the mystery. वो suitors मर जाते हैं या क्या होता है, little bit of it is in the trailer, but I don't want to delve too deep in it. But हाँ, ऐसा कुछ होता है, and then she tries to kind of I mean sort her life really.
Yeah. मैं ज्यादा पूछूंगी नहीं because I'm sure कि मुझे खुद भी देखना है, so let that thrill into me be there.
But I'll tell you that it has the elements of comedy, तो वो फिल्म आपको बहुत हंसाएगी, गुदगुदाएगी, but साथ में there is a supernatural thrill element to it also.
Amazing. Moreover, आफते इश्क अगर मैं रियल लाइफ की बात करूं नेहा, तो आपके हिसाब से really is इश्क an आफत in real life?
100%. I feel इश्क बिना आफत के होता ही नहीं है. I feel हर इश्क में आफत है, and that's what we are also saying in the film. इश्क तो ढूंढने निकली थी लल्लो, but बड़ी आफतें आई उसकी जिंदगी में, तो I feel like इश्क and आफत go hand in hand.
Actually, I would agree. I would agree on that too. All right. Moreover, you know, Neha, when we see the trailer and everything, and when we see you in a very different role, in a very different character, and then उसके बाद आप completely अलग transformation में आ जाती है. So दिखने में तो everything is like very थोड़ा सा sorted type का, क्योंकि fine ये होगा and then ये होगा. But set पे क्या हाल चाल बवाल हुआ था? Set पे like the most prankiest thing or the most weirdest thing, and I would say the most memorable thing too, that you just caught up into that.
So now the thing is, let me begin from the beginning. You know, we were shooting this film during COVID, and all of us were really petrified because COVID was on its peak, and we didn't know कि किसको COVID हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, and then just that whole social distancing was so serious. We were taking it very seriously. और ये आपने जैसे ट्रेलर में देखा होगा लड़के मेरे ऊपर गिर रहे हैं and वो सब हो रहा है, तो मैं बहुत स्ट्रेस में थी because they are breathing next to you, and you're supposed to wear masks and not shoot and have social distancing, but we were still doing this for the love of cinema, for the love of this film, because we all believed in it. So बहुत stressful था shooting for it, and then the thing is stressful bhi tha in terms of COVID, but also very satisfying because we felt like by the end we felt, oh my God, we did it. All of us did it despite of what was happening. So it'll definitely be one of the most special films in my life.
And one of the most like memorable moments किसी co-star के साथ जो आपका कोई memorable moment रहा हो?
Actually, इस फिल्म में जैसा कि आपने ट्रेलर में देखा होगा, I have such lovely co-stars. Whether it's Namit, whether it's Ila Ji, whether it's Amit, whether it's Deepak, everyone came with their own. I mean, they're all very different, right? So I have a set of memories with each one. Like I don't think I'm gonna forget this experience. They are all so lovely.
Talking about experience, क्योंकि आपका experience फिल्म में जो हम ट्रेलर पे देख सकते हैं वो डेटिंग ऐप के साथ रहा है जहाँ पे you're like swiping right and swiping left to few boys or the other. तो रियल लाइफ में अगर आपको डेटिंग टिप्स देनी हो, सो लाइक व्हाट वुमेन वांट एग्जैक्टली इन रियल लाइफ, आप क्या बताना चाहेंगे हमारे सारे लड़के व्यूअर्स को कि वो किस तरीके से एक लड़की को अप्रोच कर सकते हैं फॉर अ डेट, और व्हाट वुड गर्ल्स लाइक?
I think the gentle approach. I mean, don't be so like straightforward is good, but I think gentle. Like it should be a little delicate, not like, hey, aati kya khandala. That really works for me. It's very much like, hey, I would like to get to know you. Do you think we could have a cup of coffee or chai? You know, it should start like that, not like, hey, do you want to like go out for drinks with me? I feel like I like that whole old school, धीरे धीरे, you know, बातें हो पहले,
slow and steady वाला सीन होना चाहिए,
फिर फोन पे बातें हो, फिर finally मिलना हो. So I believe in that, and I just feel that that's the beauty of courtship. So yeah, for me that works. Dating tips ये दूंगी कि I don't know if I'm the right person for this, but for me, I feel like it's very important for people as human beings, girl or guy, for anyone. It's very important to be yourself, because it's really important for the other person to know you for who you are. Because if you're going to fake it, then it's pointless. Because kuch time baad they'll figure out who you really are and they'll be like, oh, this doesn't work for me. So yeah, shuru se hi give your real picture, because let's not waste anyone's time here. I feel that's one thing. I feel like it's important to laugh and have a good time when you're in a relationship or otherwise also. So I feel like sense of humor is like a good thing. So acha hai ki khub hasao logo ko is important. What else? I feel like I like that childlike quality in people. I feel like, yeah, I know stress bahut hai logo ki life mein, but let's not bring it home. Let's not make it the be all end all of life. I think it's important to still enjoy the little joys of life and feel like there's so much niceness and goodness in the world.
Great. I mean, मेरे सारे जितने भी ऐसे लड़के listeners हैं जो कि अभी ऐसे सुन रहे हैं और देख रहे हैं नेहा को, I guess you guys have got it. So please approach, have a gentle approach, not a desperate approach, rather than, hey, do you want to come over? Don't do that.
Yeah.
All right. Moreover, Neha, moving forward, one message that you would like to give to all our viewers for Updesh that is releasing on 29th of October on ZEE5.
I think it's the festive time. I think it's the time when you want to enjoy, have a good time with family, sit together and watch a nice, clean family film and, you know, just have a good laugh and have a good evening and not stress out on a very stressful content film or a show, because I feel like बहुत stress है life में already. Something nice and easy would be great, and I think Aafate is just the right film because it kind of tickles you, it makes you laugh, it has a feel good feeling when you watch the film, and of course it's got a hint of supernatural which makes it a little edgy.
All right, trailer aa chuka hai, to agar aapne nahi dekha hai, please watch it on ZEE5, and the entire series would be releasing, the entire film would be releasing on 29th of October on ZEE5. Thank you, Neha, for being there, for your time. All the best.
Thank you, Sona, for doing this. Really appreciate it.
Thank you, yeah.
Fever.